This horror game includes intense flashing lights, other unsettling elements, and jump scares. Player description is advised. Definitely gonna leave that in. Hello everyone, it is Cryptic Gremlin, and today we're gonna be playing FeralPals. Yeah. It's one of those type of games. Where this story goes. In an unknown year, humanity was wiped out by a pathogen traced back to their own creations. The friendly pals, originally feral creatures, genetically mutated and given human intelligence for mankind's own purposes. The pals were left behind to mimic the society of their dead creators. Yours truly play as Dan, a little guy who gets a phone call from his best friend Basil, inviting you to an old forest campsite to reunite with childhood friends. But this forest hides a dark past of what is buried inside. And is humanity truly extinct? Lightning! I really gotta do something about that. Wow. My ears. Let me turn that down. Good lord. Drop that down to 66. Good thing it's not those two numbers. But yeah, this is chapter 1, Old Friends. Let's get started. We are the friendly pals. See, a long, long time ago, we were just some feral creatures. But, as usual, big corporations, science experiments, and human curiosity turned us into this. We became intelligent, capable, more powerful humans, extinct afterwards. The changes they made just worked on us. But for them, it spawned a massive disease that wiped humanity from the face of the earth. With humans gone, we found it pretty easy to pick up where they left off. We finally had a life, families, and a future. We weren't just science experiments anymore. We had the whole world to ourselves. Oh, okay. Cut out. You think? Feral Pals Chapter 1. Oh, friends. Heck yeah. All right. You're like in my ear. Oh my gosh. Whoa, hello? Dan, are you seriously still asleep? Basil, shoot, man. I am so sorry. I completely overslept. What time is it? It's late, Dan. We've been waiting at the edge of the forest for almost an hour. Me, Rena, Carnard? I don't know if that's right. Even Hella showed up. Helen is there? Yes. So hurry up. And Dan, this is your only chance to apologize to her. Don't screw this up. I won't. Thank you, Basil. Seriously. Thanks for bringing everyone back together after all these years. I've really missed you guys. Hmm. Well, let's make sure I have this right. It's a camping trip for me and all my old friends. At the old camping forest we used to play in as kids. Let me find my car keys first. I really don't know where I put them. Ooh. Oh, this is about to be interesting. Hold on. Car keys over here. A key. Wait. This is just for the closet. Oh, not my car keys. Get up. Immediately dozed off. Get that key. Okay. Here? Oh, yeah. Ah, there are my car keys. Oh. Was that the front door? Hello. Oh. There's a raccoon. Hey, Mr. Dan. Remy. You know you gave me a heart attack. We talked about knocking like a normal person. Well, Mr. Dan, it's just that I'm really hungry. And my dad isn't home yet. Your dad. Always busy with work and leaving me as your victim. What a neighbor. Yep. So, are you gonna cook me something or what? Great. I'm going to be even more late now. Basil is gonna kill me. Alright, come in. I need to eat before I hit the road too. I guess. Yeah! Great. I should go check the fridge. Wow. Oh, crap. Right, I've gone shopping. Well, Remy, bad news. I'm totally out of food. I'm gonna run outside and see if Bob has anything I could buy from his shop. I'll be right back. Don't cause trouble. Aye, Captain. I'll just watch TV. Go shopping. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna be late. Oh, Lord, okay. Your perception changes depending on the situation you're in. When experiencing the world through Dan's point of view, use the mouse to move his head and control him naturally. Ah! Oh, wow. Whoa. That's cool. What's up, bud? Hey, Sandra. How's it going? Oh, hey, Dan. Just keeping an eye on Berg down there at the swings. I saw Remy bothering you again, by the way. Yeah. She's currently demanding dinner on my couch. Her dad is practically making me a babysitter. Well, that's what you got. Get for Take it. I'm trying to, you know, voice act as such. Builds character. I'm just reading it slow. Yeah, very funny. Catch you later, Sandra. Wait, where's downstairs? What's over here? Just a random rock. That was pretty funny. Who are you? Hey, Milson. Still awake? I'm really sorry for your loss, man. Thanks, Dan. I can't sleep. The nightmares won't stop. Still the same ones? Yeah. It's always this weird shifting mass of flesh, just covered in a bunch of staring eyes. I have no idea what it means, but every time I close my eyes, it's right there. That sounds awful, man. I hope it passes soon. Dang it, didn't read the rest. Trying to. Have a good night, Dan. Ah, that sucks. Ah, nice. I really hope this isn't copyright. Welcome to Bob's store. Oh, it's you. Hey, Bob. Dan, I'm not putting anything else on your tab. You still owe me 120 bucks. Yeah, about that. It's just Remy. I can't escape her, and I need to cook her something. I promise I will pay you back later. Ugh. All I can offer you right now is just some eggs, and that's it. Works for me. Let me check. I like the style for this game. What the? Hey, you alright? Yeah, sure. I think I'm just imagining things. If you say so. Here are your eggs. Don't forget you owe me. Go back home. What in the world was that? Also, was that a note? What is a note? Where is everyone? Oh. They were just here a second ago. You're right. Huh. So odd. Read this. The Willowmere strain and stabilizer decay status. We completely misunderstood a mutation. The pathogen didn't just jump from the pals to us. It was the bridge holding their genetic code together. The airborne virus is 100% fatal to human biology, causing rapid cellular breakdown. Wow. However, the exact same virus acts as a chemical anchor for the friendly pals. The human presence of our breath and our sickness was constantly shedding the stabilizer they needed to maintain their synthetic empathy. As the human population drops, the airborne stabilizer is vanishing. We are already seeing the results in Sector 4. Without the chemical anchor, the PAL's artificial DNA is snapping. They are losing their forced docility. Hope I pronounced it right. They are reverting. The friendly state is decaying, and what is replacing it is a hyper-aggressive, uncontrollable feral instinct. If humanity dies, the pals become monsters. Guessing like the one that we just saw. Weird. It's over here. More stuff. Monthly Old Archives. The Perfect Companions by Gene Life Corp. Are you ready for a friend who truly understands you? Gene Life Corp has unveiled their crowning achievement, the Friendly Pals Initiative. Conducted at the state-of-the-art Willowmere Island facility, scientists have successfully mapped and modified animal neural pathways, integrating them with synthetic empathy strands. The goal was simple, says lead research Dr. Arthur Eris. Probably pronounced that wrong. We wanted to create the ultimate companion by slightly elevating their intelligence and hardwiring docility and affection into their genetic code. We've created animals that don't just act friendly, they are biologically incapable of malice. They are the future of therapy, companionship, and family. Wow. That is odd. Maybe they all just, went inside. Maybe. I don't know. Oh, back inside I go. No, poor thing. She fell asleep. Alright, let me cook these eggs real quick so I can hit the road as soon as possible. Minutes later. Thanks for the dinner, Miss Van. Appreciate it. You're welcome, you little annoyance. Now, if you'll excuse me, you need to head back home and wait for your dad. I've got a small trip to make. Now? At this hour? Where? I'm heading up to the old forest campgrounds to meet friends. Oh? Take me with you. Take me with you. Are you crazy? Your father would actually kill me. I can't just drag a little kid out to the woods in the middle of the night. Besides, you'll get totally scared out there. Oh gosh. Power outage? Really? Where's my phone? Come on. Phone flashlight. Gotcha. Remy? Ray? Whoa. Remy? Can I crouch? No. Remy? Are you in the closet? No. Remy, stop. Oh, what am I looking at? Gotcha. What? Remy, it was just you. I'm really starting to hallucinate. I think I need to go back on panic pills or something. You should look at your face. Who gets scared now? That is not funny, Remy. What is wrong with you? I was just playing, Mr. Dan. I have somewhere I need to be, and I'm already late. I'm sorry, but please, just take me with you. My dad still isn't home, and I don't want to be by myself home in the dark. It's creepy in there. Absolutely not. Go knock on Sandra's door, sit in the lobby, I don't care. It is not my problem. But out. I'm an idiot. I shouldn't have yelled like that. Whatever. I'll apologize tomorrow. I need to get moving. Check the go to car. Looks like she went back to her place. Wow, the whole block is out. Poor kid. Feel kind of bad leaving her in the dark. But I'm already late. I just need to get to my car. Shouldn't be too hard to spot a bright red clunker. Clunker. All right, here we go. Now, where are you guys? Hello? Now, where are you guys? Basil? Garnard? Rena? Helen? I think I see someone over there. Where are you? Who's that? Who's that shadowy figure over there? They're creepy. Oh, yeah. Oh, they're gone. They're watching me in the shadows. Oh! What the heck was that? I'm just gonna keep going. Who are you? Oh, hey Dan. You really took long. Basil, sorry about that. It was just... Never mind. Where are the others? Rena, Garnard, and Ellen. Oh, they're just camping out across the bridge. Just follow me. Follow Basil. Where you at? There you are. Oh. Man, this place makes me feel nostalgic. I haven't been out to these campgrounds since Friends. Yeah, it's been a long time. The trees have been... Dang it. They hide the sky a lot better now. That's one way to put it. It's pitch black out here. You guys couldn't have picked a spot closer to town? Town is too loud. Too many eyes. Besides, it's important to remember what's buried out here in the dirt. Buried? What, like an old time capsule? No. The old owners. The old... Wait, you mean the people who used to run the place? I mean humans did. And I think it said Dan. I don't know. The dialogue go too fast. Yeah. Ancient history. Dang. Why are you bringing that up now? They didn't just leave, Dan. They built massive cities. They took... Dang it. I tried to read the dialogue, but it's too fast. Okay, Basil, you're officially creeping me out, man. Let's just keep moving. Dang it, I couldn't read all that dialogue. It went by way too fast. Kinda. Even though I was trying to, like, casually read it. It feeds the roots. It wakes up the things sleeping underneath us. What do you mean? Actually, yeah, what do you mean? Oh. Interesting. That's a turn back. Oh, I thought Basil turned back as well. Oh. Goodness. Oh, here we are. The bridge. Let's go. Is this a stable bridge? We seem to be terrified. Basil, I don't hear their voices. Oh, they're just asleep. Let's cross. Basil, what is going on? There are no tents over there. There's no fire. Where are the others? Basil? I told you, Dan. They are asleep. The roots are already pulling them down. We built our little cozy neighborhoods on top of their old bones and pretend we are safe. But we aren't the owners. We are just the next harvest. We really don't deserve. Is that Remy? Mr. Dan? Remy? How did you... I snuck into your car. Your friend is scaring me. Well, you shouldn't be here. Oh. You brought company. How about I take a closer look? Stay back. Come on, Remy. We're leaving. Let's go home. No, you're not. What? Basil? We should get to stepping right now. What the? She's not Basil no more. Let's get the heck out of here. She's gone feral. Leaving? You still don't get it, do you, Dan? You walked right into the stomach of this force. And you actually think the teeth are just going to let you walk back out? They didn't just die in the dirt. Humans. They're rot. Rot bled into the roots, and now they're starving. We aren't the new owners of this world. We are just the soil they need to bloom again. And the Keeper will make that happen. Let me fix you. How about no? Let me make you better. Where did he go? Oh, he... Run. I'm running. Oh. Why is this is pretty cool. Oh, drop me. As you wish. Oh, I. Yep, knew that was gonna happen. How pathetic. You have no idea what you're dealing with, Dan. Remy? Where is she? Where's Helen? Garnard? They are here, Dan. Helen? They're always here. Garnard? Look kind of like always. Rena? Oh, Rena. Take him. He will join us. These are the Keeper's orders. Gosh, it's kind of loud. It's so aggressive. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Where am I? Day 68. I don't understand what is happening outside. The air smells wrong, and everyone is gone. I found this deep cave to hide in until my friends come find me. But there is something weird down here. At the bottom of the pit, there is a lump of flesh. It looks like it's breathing. Yesterday, it was the size of a rock, but today it is bigger, and I swear I saw an eye open up on it. Ew. I was just, and then, what is going on? Now I can crouch. And I can run to space jump. Then I could jump as well. Oh, well, that's blocked off, clearly. Hopefully Remy is alright. And not, dead. That was crazy. Where do I go? Oh, there's a note. Day 74. The thing with the eyes. What's that noise? I'm gonna read this fast. The thing with the eyes doesn't want to eat me. It's taking my mind. Every time the humming returns, it drains something. A memory, a feeling. Today I tried to draw a picture of my best friend, but my hands couldn't remember the shape of his face. I'm forgetting how to speak. Every time I wake up, the creature gets smarter and I get emptier. Hmm. That's devastating. Well, I'm gonna continue on. That Rena? Well, I clearly don't want to go that way. Is that you? Um, I don't know if they're coming closer or not. Okay. I thought they were just gonna run at me, but they're just going at this corpse. Okay, 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 okay. That's... Guys, if this is some kind of bit, you need to tell me right now. I'm not joking. I left my panic pills at the car. I left them at the car. My chest is already doing the thing. Please. Oh no. Ugh. I'm gonna keep... Oh, it's a dead end with a note. Hold on. Day 79. It took everything. The cave is cold, but my fur feels too hot. My teeth hurt. I don't know why I am sad. I just know that I am. I don't think I am me anymore. I have no one. I'm just an empty cup for it to pour its anger into. I can hear it dragging its heavy body up the tunnels, getting closer. It is way too quiet. I don't like this. Whose stomach is that? Someone sounds hungry. Very hungry. I'm gonna go this way. I've just been following the signs. What the? Yeah. Whoa! Woo! Hold on. Oh my god! I'm dead. Oh, whoa, what? Oh, crouch! Oh my goodness! Yo! He is fast! I am not turning around. Jump. Dang. Rena? Rena, please. This isn't you. What happened to you? Dan. Is that... Well, what's this? Rena? You've been keeping this one alive? At last. It's always a pleasure to meet a new pal. Basil said he would be like us. I was going to... there he is. Still very much himself. Finish him. You don't have to do this. Keeper, I can't. He's my friend. I see. You're still in there, aren't you? That's all right. We can fix that. Huh? Wait! No! Okay. Don't worry. She'll come back. As for you... do I get to run in? Step in? Oh, hey guys! It's pretty cool. Dude looks like Monty. Monty, but if he was a chef. Oh, dang. Well, I'm gonna be honest with you, that was so good. I really like the art style of this. It's just so good. Been tested by Cindy Cat. Wow. And this is just a chapter 1. I know there's gonna be other chapters that I'm definitely gonna be playing. Thanks for playing. Oh, baby. Can't wait for that chapter 2. Yeah, again, this was really good. I really enjoyed this one. I was not expecting Rena to just pop out of nowhere, start chasing me down in maximum speed, ready to rip my head off. But this was FeralPals Feral. I don't know why I'm thinking like FeralPals, but FeralPals Chapter 1. I hope y'all enjoyed this one because I definitely did, and definitely gonna be looking forward to chapter 2. And I hope y'all enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and all that. And I will see y'all in the next one. Take care, everyone.